Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. It is day 20. I can't believe it. The time has flown by. The month of December is flying by. But something that I talked to you guys about early on that I was wanting to do, I finally did. So I want to show you real quick. Before I do that, if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I hope that you've been really enjoyed following along with me for Vlogmas. Well, as you can see, I'm using my hands a lot, so you probably have an idea of what I'm going to show you. But I finally picked the names for my Christmas elves. Yay! And I pulled out some of my craft materials, my Cricut machines, my little express mini press, and they're official. So yeah, so like I was saying, they're official. So here are my Christmas elves for 2022. We have Missy and Cruz. Missy Cruz. Anyway, I really like this little small gift idea. Again, I got the elves from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna actually go back and see if I can find a couple more because I'm really loving this little craft. So I'm going to show you next how I actually did that, how I actually put the names on them. Like I said, I already had the Cricut machine, and I haven't used it nearly as much as I had hoped when I got it. So hopefully I can change that. Christmas is a hectic time and we have so much going on, but I really enjoyed pulling out my craft stuff. So I'm gonna try and make a little more time to do a little more crafting. But anyway, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Happy Vlogmas. Okay, so I'm proud of myself, guys, for using my Cricut today. I've had it for quite a while and never seem to have time to use it, but I did it. Okay, so putting the name on my elf. You saw me do the cut on the mat. Now I'm gonna do the iron-on transfer, and hopefully get it lined up well the first time. Piece of parchment. And I don't even know what this little guy is called, but I think it's perfect for this little situation. Okay. Come on, Missy. Oh, sweet. Your friend's checking on you. Yay. And cruise. Oh, there they are. I did it. I'm pretty proud of myself, as you can see. It's been a long time since I did something so crafty.